Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for my Christmas pudding ice cream, and it is fantastic for using leftover Christmas pudding. And I even hold back some of my Christmas pudding just to make this recipe. And you will be so surprised at how many people protest their dislike for Christmas pudding will love this recipe. So anyways, let's get on with it. I've got 300 ml of double cream here that I'm just going to whip softly. To this I'm going to add 150 grams of sweetened condensed milk. That's half a tin. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just give this another brief whisk. So to turn this into my Christmas pudding ice cream, I just have 100 grams of leftover Christmas pudding, which I'm going to just crumble into the mixture. This is like really good rum raisin ice cream. And as it's Christmas, I think a little brandy would help things along here. 2 tablespoons. Just fold this into the mixture. Into a freezer safe container now. Just shimmy that about to even it out. That's it. This just needs to go into the freezer for a few hours and I will have some delicious ice cream.